Do you want to master the laws of indices? This quick tutorial demonstrates 5 rules of indices. Rule number 1, when variables multiply each other inside the bracket and express to an index outside the bracket. Consider an example here. When the bracket is opened, each variable is expressed to the exponent 2. The final answer is 36. Let's consider another example where the fraction index half is positioned outside the bracket. When the bracket is opened, each variable is expressed to the exponent half. The fraction power can be expressed in root or surd form to give the answer square root 2 multiplied by square root 3. Consider this to be the second rule of indices in this video tutorial. Let's consider another law of indices. Rule number 3, when variables divide each other inside the bracket and express to an index outside the bracket. Consider an example here. When the bracket is opened, each variable is expressed to the exponent 2. Then we simplify using one of the laws of indices demonstrated in a previous video tutorial. The link to the video tutorial is provided in the description. You can click on the link at the top right-hand side of your screen to watch the related video. The final answer is 4. Let's consider another example where the fraction index half is positioned outside the bracket. When the bracket is opened, each variable is expressed to the exponent half. The fraction power can remain unchanged and the answer is 2 exponent half. Let's consider another law of indices. Rule number 4, when the base of the variables are the same but they are expressed to different exponents. Consider an example here. Modify the terms on both sides of the equation such that the bases are the same. This can be done by modifying the bases to prime numbers expressed to the required exponents. Prime numbers are highly important for solving algebraic expressions involving the laws of indices because they quickly reveal the relationships between numbers. The final answer is 2. Let's quickly consider another example where an index form is compared to a square root or surd form. Modify the terms on both sides of the equation such that base 2 is used on both sides of the equation. The final answer is m equal to 3 divided by 2. Let's consider another law of indices that resembles the previously discussed one. Rule number 5, when the base of the variables are different but they are expressed to the same exponent. Consider an example here. Modify the terms on both sides of the equation such that they are expressed to exponent half on both sides of the equation. The final answer is x equal to 4. Now you have learned how to manipulate algebraic expressions while employing the laws of indices. Please like, comment and share for more reach. Subscribe for more math tutorials, stay ahead in algebra, fractions, exponents, surds and other math topics.